Hyderabad Haleem. Hyderabad Haleem, produced in Hyderabad in India, has the specialized characteristics of a gastronomic delicacy and has worldwide recognition. Historically, the origin of Hyderabad Haleem can be traced to the period of Asif Jahi density, which began from the year Nizams ruled Hyderabad region for more than 220 years. The traditional Hyderabadi style of cooking, which finds a prominent place in Indian cuisine, of which the Hyderabadi Haleem is an integral part, is attributed to its long hours of sustained cooking of food ingredients. Haleem is an important ingredient during Iftar parties hosted by Muslims for their friends, brethren from all communities. Essentially, a meat dish made for 12 hours of patience and careful cooking. The three main ingredients for Hyderabad Haleem are meat obtained from sheep or goats slaughtered by halal method, ghee and wheat of Sharabati variety. These three essential ingredients are added in equal quantities. The patti for making Hyderabad Haleem is essentially made up of an earthenwork structure with usage of bricks, and since only firewood is used for heating the furnace. The special inimitable taste of Hyderabad Haleem is attributed to the patience, careful long hours of cooking with right choice of ingredients, the art of being perfected over the years by skill in the art. The delicious Haleem, and with Haleem even in Hyderabad one can find the very famous dishes like Lukmi, Kupani ka Mitta, Firni, Double ka Mitta, Shirmal, Pattar ka Gosht, and the very famous Hyderabad Biryani. Then why wait? Visit Hyderabad for all reasons and all seasons. Brought to you by GI Trips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.